Hello everyone, my name is Dr. N. Kumar, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. So in this lecture series, we are going to see the Python. So in that, first we are going to see the overview of Python. So, so this is my agenda. So these four things we are going to see in this lecture series. First, introduction to Python. So what are the career opportunity? If one should learn Python, so what are the career opportunities are available? Then why should we learn Python? This is a very important. If you learn anything, so what is the reason behind that? So everyone should understand that. So that's why I have included this particular topic. Then the OOPS concept. So what are the, as we all know that, so the basic concept of OOPS. So how the OOPS is related with the Python. So that's we are going to see at the end of the session. Yeah, uh, the Stack Overflow, they conducted a survey in the year 2018. The Python is the most wanted programming language. So if recently they conducted many surveys, the Python is the most wanted programming languages. So next we are going to see the career opportunities in Python. Yeah, so if you learn Python, so these are all the career opportunities are available. If you learn Python, you can able to work in machine learning, you can work with databases, you get an opportunity to work with mobile development, you get an opportunity to work in the data analysis field, also you get an opportunity to work in the cloud infrastructure. So let us see one by one. Yeah, first, what is meant by cybersecurity? Python is a widely used in cybersecurity for tasks like penetration testing, malware analysis, automation due to it is use of ease, and also it has a extensive libraries. The next we are going to see web scraping. So what is meant by web scraping? It means to extract large amount of data from various websites automatically. So that is called as a web scraping. It also collects unstructured data and converted into a structured data form. The syntax and the code of Python is very easy to understand. Python has a lot of libraries that are well suited for the web scraping. Yeah, data analysis. As we all know that data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information. Yeah, databases. Python has a database API, so it gives an opportunity to work with the databases. Machine learning, as we all know that machine learning is a type of AI that provides computers with ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Cloud infrastructure and mobile development. So next, so Indeed is an organization. They conducted a survey. The annual salary for Python across the globe is so showed here. Yeah, this is the annual salary conducted across in India. So if you have a 0 to 2 years of experience, you get 3 to 6 lakhs per annum. If you have a 2 to 5 years of experience, you can get 6 to 12 lakhs per annum. If you above 5 years of experience, you can get above 12 lakhs. Yeah, what is meant by a Python? Yeah, first, who introduced a Python? So it is created by Guido van Rossum in the year 1991. How the name Python comes from? There is a popular web series. The name is Monty Python Flying Circus. So from that web series, the name Python comes. Why should we learn Python? This is a very important. Yeah, it is very simple and easy to learn. It has a lot of career opportunities and it has a large open source community. If you want to learn any new thing in Python, you can refer a website. Plenty of books are available. Plenty of YouTube tutorials are available. Many online platform or teaching platform, they teach us Python. So this is called as a large open source community. Another one is reliable and efficient. The last one is extensive library. So these are all the 5 reasons we should learn Python. Yeah. So here I'm showing some of the areas and related the libraries. For an example, if you want to work with hardware programming, the Python has a library Raspberry Pi. If you want to work with the machine learning, data science or deep learning, it has a library that is sklearn, TensorFlow. So these are all the libraries we can easily work with in that particular area. Similarly, I am showing here cloud and DevOps, desktop application and web applications. Yeah, so these are all the industries are using Python nowadays. So here I am showing only the most popular organization. Yeah, so as we all know that object-oriented programming, in that object is a real-time entity. For an example, object has an attribute and behavior. Here I'm showing a parrot for an example. Here at name, age, color or belongs to an attribute. The singing and dancing are the behavior of that attribute, behavior of that parrot. So this is the basic principles of OOPS. I don't want to tell much because all these concepts I've studied in these in Java programming. So we don't want to get into deeper. So this is a real world example. Human is classified into 2 types, male and female. Some of the functions are common to both. So human being is a class. Then the body features and functions are class attributes that is showed in this image. Yeah, male and female are inherited from class human being. In general, as we all know that object has a physical existence, class is just a logical definition. Yeah. So what is meant by inheritance? As we all know that with the help of this simple example, I will explain that. We know the person, but we doesn't know the details of how he should walk, listen or see because it is in hidden, which means encapsulated. Yeah, this is called as a polymorphism. The same person act as a woman, sometimes act as a wife or mother. The same person act as a teacher in their job. So this is called as a polymorphism. So that's all about the overview of Python. If you have any questions or any doubt, comment on the comment section. Thank you.